Hi class, today we're making impression animals, basically birds. So we're making birds out of leaves. These are some examples that I wanted to show you, okay? So we're gonna use leaf shapes to create a bird out of your leaf shape. So let's see a little short example that I'm gonna show you. This is an example of an owl shape. So let's see if we can do something like that. I'm gonna try the owl shape first. So I'm gonna take my paper and a piece of crayon. I'm gonna press hard. Wow, look at these beautiful details. Look how magically it just appeared on the paper. And the more I press, the more gorgeous the details become. Okay, so absolutely wonderful. And this is the example of owl. I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna cut a little piece so I can put it on the video as an example. There, see? So you're gonna have a piece of paper like that with the example you can also use. Of course, I can also pause the video so you can see it. And so you're gonna use your pencils, draw in your eye for your owl. And each leaf is a little different and original. So each owl will have slightly different shape. Little beak. This one looks like it lives somewhere here. Okay. So fun. You can color it if you have different colors. Okay. You can use crayons as well if you have your crayons. You can use crayons. Okay. To add more texture. It makes it look like feathers too. When you keep that leaf and just move it ever so slightly, now the wings are going to be slightly moved too, so the impression of the texture is going to be slightly in a different place, and it's going to give you a lot of pretty texture again, a lot of definition. This is called impression printing, and then we can go ahead and add some browns. This can be the owl ears and some texture for the feathers and outline the little owl face. This looks really cute. I love this art, don't you? And next is going to be your turn to try this out. And if you have a smaller leaf, for example, if I was going to cut this one, if you don't have a small one and you just have big one, you can cut a large one and make a small bird friend, somewhere like so, and placing it like that. I'm going to remove the big one. I'm going to use the small one, and I can give him a little friend next to him. So this is my owl. This is where my leaf is. And I can make a little brown friend for him right here. Push down on your leaf. I think I put it too close, but that's okay. And it looks like it could be like this little guy. So what I'll do is I'll finish giving him a little beak. Wow. These looks like wings. Okay, that's cute. I can decorate him anyway. I can give him little blue feathers for the head. Maybe it's a bluebird. Maybe some, what color would look good with blue? We already have some yellow, but maybe more yellow to blend in this part. So we have another bird here. I'll cut this little rascal here to remind you what you're doing. So you're gonna be adding face and details of your face. You're working on your details of your owl. And if you're brave, you can also finish your owl and give your owl a body. You can use the same texture that you used before with your leaf and put it under the face now, under the face, like so, under the face, and then get some texture for the owl's body too. You can give the owl some feathers. Winged feathers. Okay. Maybe more definition for the feathers. It's like tiny little U's or V. Letter V over and over and over again. Maybe if you have white crayon, you can add some white to the owl's eyes. Or if you're working with pencils, add more details with pencil. Crayons work well too. You can use crayons. If you have a marker, you can outline your work, give it details with your marker. And you can finish any way you like. Finish making your birds in the background. And the last thing is, as you can see on this, you should make a vine. That's a branch with some leaves all over the place. So they have a place to live in the forest. So, for example, here, this guy is sitting on this leaf. Maybe there is another tree going this way. There's more leaves. And you can finish coloring. Now we're 9 minutes to the video, so we're gonna end here and you're gonna try. Now is your turn. Have a great day.